Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute, but this video is dedicated to my baby girl Ariel for her 8th birthday. And her birthday is October 30th, the day before Halloween, and EZBRAID sent me this hair to sample, and it was perfect timing because the colors are so Halloween. So in this tutorial, I'm just doing a simple large stitch ponytail with a cute little design at the top to make it fun and festive. And that's pretty much it. I'm keeping it clean and simple. It's very easy. I tried to get as many close-up shots as I could to show you exactly how I am doing this stitch without making the video 3 hours long. So also, as you have already seen earlier in the video, there is a description of everything that I use, all the products that I use on her hair, including the hair down to the rollers. So everything is listed that I use to complete this style. Okay, so on this other side, the stitch part kind of got a little tricky just because the section was a little bit longer and I don't have any nails on. So yeah, sometimes you can, or sometimes you do need to use a comb to get that straight part that you're desiring. Normally I have nails on, but in this case I didn't have any, and my pinky was not doing the trick. So in order to achieve the clean part that I wanted, I ended up using a comb, and it's perfectly fine. It is inconvenient though to do that for the whole style. So if you're one starting out to try and attempt stitch braiding, I would say try to learn how to do stitch braiding with your fingers first instead of using a comb, because if you get dependent on using a comb, you will probably always have to use one. So I would say a comb for me is a last resort when it comes to stitch braiding. I like to use my fingers just because of the ease of it. And that's pretty much what I did for this. This was a very quick style. Didn't really take much, and she had this style in, I would say it lasted for 3 weeks. So it was super cute, and I was a little nervous about this color, but I must say it was so cute on her, and she got so many compliments of the color. It's really cute. EZBRAID does a wonderful job with the colors that they give us, and I mean, they literally have me stepping out of my box when it comes to trying new colors, because I used to be anti-color, but now your girl is on the other side and I'm trying all kinds of stuff. So thank you again, EZBRAID, for sending me this hair to sample, and I can't wait to see what I get next. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye-bye.